Hey, it's me again. Listen, so I promised you I would tell you how to set up an LLC because that's my favorite thing to do if you're setting up a business is to use the LLC. So, number one, you check and see if your name that you want for your business is available on the Secretary of State's website. If it's available, you go ahead and file the Articles of Organization online with the Secretary of State. It should take you 10, 15 minutes at the most. I think it's a $99 filing fee. You have to put in your name. You have to put in the purpose of your business, which should be everything allowable under the LLC Act in Ohio. And then you need to put in what's called a statutory agent. That's probably going to be you, your name, your address, and that's the person who gets all the legal mail and the junk mail when your business gets set up. Then you got to sign it. You file it online. A couple of days later, you should get the approval from the Secretary of State. That's step one. Once you're set up, you got your approval from the Secretary of State. Number two is you get your tax identification number. You can do this right through the IRS's website, irs.gov. You're going to go ahead and go through their wizard. It's going to tell you, all the information you need to enter. You do that, you submit it, you get your tax ID number. You know what? I know I shouldn't have to tell you this, but print it off, save it, whatever the case may be, but get that number down. You're going to actually need that paper to open bank accounts. Now, the IRS should send you a hard copy letter in the next couple of weeks, but most people don't want to wait on that. So if you print out the sheet from the IRS website with your tax ID number on it, that'll allow you to start operating. Step number three, you should put together an operating agreement that says, that you're the owner of the company, or if you got partners, who owns the company. By the way, if you have more than one owner, you should definitely have a buy-sell agreement. I guess that's another video at some point. But that's called your operating agreement. Again, it's going to say who you are, what your company name is, that you own the company. It's going to authorize you to open bank accounts, hire people, that kind of thing. So those are kind of the three initial steps that you need from a document standpoint. Once you have those three documents, you go open your bank accounts in the name of your company. You don't want to commingle those funds with your personal funds. And then you need to get business insurance. So hopefully that gives you a quick 2.5-minute overview on what you need to do to set up an LLC. I think that's like 5 steps, so this should be pretty easy. And then, no, I'm not driving right now. That would be unsafe. So I parked, and I had a couple of minutes, and hopefully that's helpful. Good luck, you guys.